Are you struggling with grayed out iCloud settings on your iPhone? Don't worry, you're not alone. This can happen because of restrictions, account issues, or even network problems. But no worries, I'm here to guide you through some easy fixes to get you back to full access in no time. Let's dive right in and tackle it together. Solution 1. Check for restrictions. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Screen Time. Keep scrolling and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down further and then tap on Accounts under the Allow Changes To section. Select Allow to make the changes. After that, go ahead and restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Sign out and back into iCloud. Open the Settings app again. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and then tap on Sign Out. Wait for a few moments, then sign back in using your Apple ID. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, select Software Update. If an update is available, tap on Download and install to make sure you're up to date with the latest features and fixes. Solution 4. Check Apple's system status. Open your browser and search for Apple System Status. Go to Apple's official system status page to check if there are any issues with iCloud services. If iCloud services are down, you'll need to wait until Apple fixes the issue on their end. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings once more. Tap General. Scroll down and then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then select Reset all settings. Next, enter your passcode. Now, tap Reset all settings to confirm. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the grayed out iCloud settings on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and good luck.